What are the principles of persuasion? The principles you hear me talk about are essentially shortcuts for the brain. Pieces of information that allow us to analyze a more complex decision more quickly and decide what action to take. Science supports that when it comes to decision making, our brains are on automatic pilot most of the time. Yes, we can make complicated decisions by using logic, but science shows we do this very little. Dr. Cialdini, who I've partnered with, is the undisputed authority on ethical persuasion. Thanks to him, we know the 7 principles that are very important when it comes to decision making. By knowing what they are, and this is very important, please let this sink in, by developing the application skill, which you won't get from reading a book or watching videos, you get that by formal training, ideally with some coaching, you can learn to view every persuasive challenge that you face and see which key pieces of information you have available to you, genuinely, for you to bring into the awareness of your audience. This will help to optimize your chances of getting agreement and stop losing out on copious successes. Check out the other videos in our feed. You'll find short insights, lessons, research, and analysis of persuasive efforts made by others.